let's calculate the true range over the last 20 or so periods. Let's get the ATR too. So let's say df dot true range dot rolling, and we'll say the period is, let's say 20. Well, 20 is not that much. I feel like that's solid for now. Dot mean. So we'll get the df ATR. Dang, I should have just added that into the last upload. Okay, let's see if this does this now. I think that should work. Based on the true range, getting the 20 period ATR. ATR. Okay, so that's solid, that's solid. And remember, we're trying to buy or sell. We're essentially trying to enter when other people's stop losses are going off. So, I don't know, I read this book a couple times about the turtle traders, and I could have sworn, I may need to look this up, but it sounded like they used an ATR to exit, average true range, 2x or 1.5x, something around there. So we'll play around those numbers because we can, and they were pretty good. They were a pretty good group of traders, and if they use that, I'm sure there's some bots out there that use that as well. So the logic it takes to put your stop loss, whether you're doing it by hand or with an algorithm, I'm trying to figure out that logic and enter where they exit. So the ATR, I guess I put that there already. Let's put ATR. ATR equals calc this will be 0. And this will be 0, 1, dos. And now I want to see print TR, and then also print hey, and then print ATR. I want to see all that. I want to make sure this is working. Let's make sure everything's saved up. So I'm not sure this is gonna work. Probably an error somewhere, as usual, but that's part of the game. Okay, look at that, tuple is out of range. Okay, solid, solid. It's because I forgot to return it. Oh, I don't need to return it. I updated the function. I was thinking I was gonna return 2 things. So I just put the 1 there instead. Okay, there we go. So we have the ATR on the ones that make sense. Of course, you can't have the ATR if you don't have enough data because we're using 20 points. So here's the ATR, and then here is the last true range. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna update that code real quick. Let's go ahead and delete that. We're looking good, we're killing this. Let's go to functions. And let's go ahead average true range. Most calculate and add the. I should write that in case somebody doesn't know what that means. And let's delete this part. See if I can just update that code, because that would be way better. All right, let's see how long this takes. I'm looking at the clock right now, and I don't want to take too much time doing anything. Nothing. How do I do this? Delete, expand. Okay. I'm just gonna put a new file in there. Oh snap. Just get me out of here. Oh my goodness, what is going on? I think I'm just not very good with Discord yet. So this is kind of embarrassing, but whatever, I'll learn it. Upload file as a message. I'm gonna say atr.py. This function calculates the ATR Okay, sweet, I'm out. How long did that take? I don't know. Half a minute? 1 minute? 1 minute too long? What's going on with this position over here though? I kind of want to get out of this. It's up a lot. It's been in there for a while. It's just the signals are saying sell. Let's see if it makes a push here. If it doesn't make a push to the lows, I think I'm just going to exit this position. All right. Calculate TR. So we have the true range. We have the average true range.